Well, today we're up here at High Knob. We're just gonna explore up here. We're starting up here at the tower, and then we're gonna drive down. There's a lake down in a campground. Go check that out. It's beautiful. We're the only ones out here today. It's a beautiful day.
Empty parking lot.
Empty parking lot.
We love pulling in and seeing that.
Yep. This is the start of the Chief Benji Trail. Is it the start up here?
Yeah, it's one end.
One end of it.
Right.
There's the sign.
There.
We've done down quite a bit of the Chief Benji, just a little bit of it.
We've done about half.
About half.
To Bark Camp Lake.
Yeah. But that's closed right now. Ever since Hurricane Helene, it's been closed. It destroyed it over there. Apparently, they're supposed to open, I think, October. But yeah, we come out here. We watched the sunrise out here. It's beautiful out here.
On Easter. On
Easter Sunday. Yeah, we came out here and watched the sunrise. So we're gonna go up here and feed Raiden and let him see the tower and let's see what it's like. I mean, it's unlimited visibility. There's not a cloud in the sky today. Not a single cloud, nobody. There's butterflies out. There's wildflowers. We're gonna go check it out and show you guys.
Information here.
Yeah, here we are. High Knob Observation Tower, George Washington and Jefferson National Forest. A little bit of information about the park. Tells you about the bees. And then this is a rebuilt tower. The original burnt down on Halloween night.
Arson, right?
Arson, yeah.
Can't burn this one down. It's stone.
No, it's all stone. Here's when it was on fire. Probably not. Here's a picture of the original one.
Wow, that looks cool too.
It does.
Look at the one
glare.
Up top.
Oh, wow. Pretty cool.
Yeah. This cool.
Did we match? I don't even know what he's wearing.
You got that yellow one. Bug flew in my ear.
They've been flying everywhere. I'm trying to get in mine too.
Oh my gosh, just look at all the butterflies from this view right here. You can see them flacking.
Raiden! What are you doing, buddy? He said, Raiden. Say hi. Hi. Hi.
It's the first one to bloom, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, here's a different little butterfly.
So we are at High Knob Recreation Area. I don't think we mentioned before, we are just outside of Norton, Virginia. High Knob is the highest point on the Cumberland mountain range. Here there's a lake. It is not managed for swimming. There's a couple trails out here. The Chief Benji goes near it.
We have seen people swimming in it, though.
Yeah,
You
can swim. You can swim in it. Swim at your own risk. They're full of salamanders. When we out here, I mean, they were absolutely full of salamanders out here.
Salamander sanctuary, remember?
It is. So there's one end of the lake here and the other here, and there's a trail that goes all the way around it. It's actually a nice trail. They got restrooms out here. There is camping up the road. It's just right up the road.
It is a day use fee. You got to
yeah.
bring $5 with you.
Yeah, so yeah, if you come out here, do bring $5 cash with you.
And that's just for the rec area, not the tower. The tower you don't have to pay.
But yeah, you don't have to pay at the tower area. If you come down here to the recreation area, it is a fee area. Bring cash, don't bring coins. We had coins and they barely fit in the slot. I mean, I barely got them in there.
Did you notice if there was like a QR code where you could like pay online or anything like that? You probably wouldn't have service to do it, but sometimes there's QR codes.
And I'm pretty sure they do honor the Beautiful Pass. If you have one of those, they do honor that. I know they did over in Tennessee when we were at Rock Creek Recreation Area.
Don't they have like,
They have a music area, you were saying?
I think so.
Yeah,
I think they have like little local concerts out here
Yeah.
from time to time. I'm not sure if there is an event page.
Everything out here looks to be wheelchair accessible too. Handicap accessible, and it's pretty, I mean, it's gravelly, but it's very wide. It's sort of. And here's the Benji's Trail. I say a lot of that's overgrown this time of year. It's not very managed. I don't think a lot of people use it. Oh, they're old coral.
What's that?
Oh, is that a lobster?
I don't know, but it kind of looks like it.
It does look a little bit like the lobster. Interesting.
And then the bench,
Old coral here. That's pretty neat. I love mushrooms. That looks like some old mushroom right there.
And here's where the chief Benji goes back into the.
And then it goes right up these steps again and start climbing up and around the lake, actually. And then here's the bathroom house. Like, this is an old bathroom house. It was probably the 70s, 60s, you think?
It's pretty old.
It's the old shower house. Old bathroom. The restroom is closed, so I gotta go back up to the top to go to the bathroom. Thought this was closed. Figured it would be. So here we are at the lake. I do have a couple benches out here.
We didn't bring a pad to lay him on.
Oh no. I can run back up to the car and get that. I got a sand, I mean, it's a beach area. I bet you back in the 70s and 80s when this was actually being used a lot more and very popular. I about guarantee you this was managed and everything. Now it's just very mucky. Like when you get out there, you're gonna sink. Oh look, there's a salamander out there. There he is. There he is. Oh, there's another one. Like they're everywhere here. Hard to see through the glare. There he is. Look at that big daddy right there. This is their last life cycle right here. This is where they'll breed. They'll lay their eggs. And then I guess they die after that. Like they're all, look at them all. Y'all having fun over here?
Yeah,
So
the bugs are horrible right now. Stew bugs, don't bother me. Stew bugs. Stew bugs.
Is that fun? You're so adorable.
Shoo. Is that funny?
You tell them bugs to shoo.
Shoo
Shoo bugs.
bugs.
He's so cute. Go shoo bugs.
Justin went back to the car to get some more bug spray, and it started to rain. So we're taking shelter right now. I grabbed what I could. I left the lunchbox out there because I didn't have Raiden in his pack, so I just had to grab our Walmart bag with our food. Well, some of the food that didn't need to be cold in his pack, and I had him on my hip. And I just ran over here real fast. Let me show you. We're over there at the picnic tables, and the lunchbox is still sitting there. But I don't think it's gonna rain long. I mean, the sun is peeking out, but you can see the rain in the video. Oh, Daddy's not getting wet, Raiden. So the restrooms are closed. These are huge restrooms when they're open. Oh, goodness.
So we brought us chicken sandwiches out with some homegrown tomatoes, hummus,
Buffalo sauce.
some buffalo chicken sandwiches. He's eating a rice husk, ain't you, bud? Taking shelter under the restroom pavilion here. Oh yeah, if you don't know what L8 is, you should go to Kentucky and find out. They made a pawpaw flavored, which if you don't know what pawpaw is, it is the Appalachian tropical fruit. Tastes like mango banana. Rain's lightened up a little bit, but now everything's wet out there on the bench. So we're just gonna sit in here and eat our lunch and see what happens after that. That good little man. You want another piece?
He's my shirt.
He ain't finished it yet. Spotted newt.
He's taking shelter. Look at his head peeking out over here.
That's it. Yeah. That is the second to right before the last stage. What we were seeing in the lake.
That's awesome.
That is.
Oh, wow. He died on the job from severe burns. I wonder
wow.
what happened.
Suffered on the job.
We'll have to ask Chat GPT how he got the
Burns.
injuries.
Oh, severe burns. What was his name?
James
Sizemore.
Sizemore? Yeah, Sizemore.
James Sizemore.
Wow.
And that's a monument to him and the man who made this part.
Opened 1940, July 1st.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Well, third stop of the day. Little Stony National Recreation Area. It's a no-fee area. You are. Yeah?
Yep.
Well, we're gonna go to this waterfall. Looks like there's 3 on the trail, but we're just going to this one.
Yep, and we are on Chief Benji.
National Recreation Trail. Y'all ready to go get in the water?
Yep.
You get in the water, Raiden? Oh, his arm. Oh, wait, no, his arm's good. Yeah, it is. Man, it's rocky out here.
Yeah, watch it.
Trail is a little bit treacherous.
Yes, it is.
A lot of roots and a lot of rocks. Watch your step. This is definitely not handicap accessible.
No. Definitely not.
There it is. Upper Stony Falls. Upper Little Stony Falls.
Beautiful. Raiden, what are you doing? Hey, big boy. Shoo! Whoop!
Does that go? Mommy said that was cold, Raiden.
The steps to get down. Hey, buddy.
All fairies.